The universe is vast and full of mysteries. Its scale is almost beyond comprehension, stretching farther than our minds can truly grasp. For centuries we've wondered, are we alone in this immense expanse? The question echoes through history, inspiring both awe and curiosity. This question has driven our science and our stories, fueling both rigorous research and the wildest corners of our imagination. We send probes to distant planets, listen for cosmic signals, and search for any sign that we are not alone. We build telescopes to peer back in time, hoping to catch a glimpse of something extraordinary, something that might change our understanding of existence. Yet, sometimes, the most profound mysteries appear right here, in our own skies, unexpected, uninvited, and unexplained. Today, the conversation about unidentified aerial phenomena, UAPs, has moved from the fringes to the Pentagon, capturing the attention of the world's most powerful institutions. For decades, these sightings were dismissed as science fiction, relegated to tabloids and late-night television. But now, the U.S. Department of Defense has released clear, documented videos, recorded by advanced sensors and highly trained military personnel, challenging our skepticism. These encounters force us to confront a startling possibility. Objects in our atmosphere are operating in ways that defy our understanding of physics and technology. This is not a moment for fear, but for wonder, and for science. It's a call to expand our horizons and question what we think we know. When we encounter the unexplained, that's where discovery begins. Curiosity is our greatest tool. The UAP phenomenon presents us with a rare opportunity to ask new, deeper questions and to challenge the boundaries of our knowledge. So, let's embark on this journey together. We'll examine the evidence, consider eyewitness accounts, and weigh every possibility with open minds. We'll explore the mind-bending physics these objects seem to display, and ask what they might reveal about the universe itself. We won't jump to conclusions. Instead, we'll follow the evidence wherever it leads, guided by curiosity and reason. The cosmos has presented us with a riddle, flying through our own airspace, inviting us to solve it. And the quest to solve it might just change everything we know about our place in the universe. November 2004, off the coast of San Diego. The vast Pacific stretched endlessly, calm and unassuming, as the world's most advanced naval fleet carried out its daily operations. The USS Nimitz Carrier Strike Group was running routine exercises, a display of military precision and power, with dozens of ships and aircraft working in perfect coordination. Suddenly, the Navy's advanced radar systems detected mysterious objects appearing at 80,000 feet, plunging to 20,000 feet in seconds, then vanishing without a trace. These weren't jets or any known aircraft. They moved with intelligence, purpose, and impossible speed, defying all expectations. 2 FA-18 Super Hornets were immediately dispatched to investigate the unknown contacts, their pilots prepared for anything but expecting the ordinary. What they saw became legendary, a smooth, white, wingless object about 40 feet long, hovering just above the ocean's surface, moving in ways no human technology could match. Commander David Fravor described it as a giant white Tic Tac, darting and weaving erratically over a strange disturbance in the water below, as if observing something beneath the waves. 4 highly trained observers watched in disbelief as Fravor spiraled down to get a closer look, their eyes fixed on the impossible craft. The object reacted instantly, mirroring his every movement, then accelerated and vanished, reappearing on radar 60 miles away almost instantly, as if it had simply teleported. Another jet managed to capture a brief infrared video, the now famous Tic Tac footage, which would soon become a sensation around the world. The video shows a small, featureless shape zipping across the screen, then accelerating out of view at a speed that defies explanation. The pilot's testimony, combined with radar data and video evidence, painted a picture of an object that could outmaneuver the world's most advanced fighter jets with ease. It operated outside the known laws of aerodynamics and propulsion, with no visible means of lift or thrust, challenging everything we thought possible. This was not a radar glitch or a tall tale, it was a physical encounter, witnessed by multiple credible observers and recorded by military technology. The Nimitz incident remains one of the most compelling and thoroughly documented UAP cases in history, sparking debate and fascination worldwide. It challenged everything we thought we knew about flight, technology, and the limits of human understanding. And for those who witnessed it, the encounter marked not just an anomaly, but the beginning of a new era of questions, one that still echoes today. Years after the Nimitz encounter, more evidence began to surface, deepening the mystery and drawing even more attention from the public and experts alike. In 2017, two more Navy videos, Gimbal and GoFast, were leaked, sparking headlines and renewed debate about what the military was really seeing in the skies. Gimbal showed a saucer-like object flying against strong wind, rotating on its axis without changing direction, something no known aircraft can do. The pilots' voices captured their awe and disbelief, exclaiming, "Look at that thing, and there's a whole fleet of them," as they tracked the object. GoFast showed a small, unidentified object skimming just above the ocean at incredible speed, tracked by the jet's advanced targeting pod. The pilots' excitement and astonishment was clear as they managed to lock onto the fast-moving target, something rarely achieved with such objects. Analysis suggested speeds and maneuvers far beyond any known drone or missile, raising questions about the technology behind these craft. These three videos, Tic Tac, Gimbal, and GoFast, now form a trilogy of evidence, each adding a new layer to the puzzle. They're not isolated incidents, but part of a pattern. Credible military witnesses, sophisticated sensors, and objects that defy conventional explanation. The craft hover, accelerate instantly, and execute maneuvers that would destroy any conventional aircraft, defying the limits of known physics. No wings, no engines, no sound, just silent, powerful, and mysterious flight, leaving experts baffled and searching for answers. These encounters challenge us to ask, what kind of science or technology could make this possible, and who or what is behind it? With each new piece of evidence, we're left to wonder, what else might be out there, waiting to be discovered? For years, UFOs were dismissed, explained away as weather balloons or misidentifications. But the leaked videos changed everything. The evidence was too compelling, the witnesses too credible. In 2017, the New York Times revealed a secret Pentagon program, AATIP, tasked with investigating UAPs. The government had been taking these incidents seriously, behind closed doors. In 2020, the Department of Defense officially released the three videos, confirming their authenticity and that the objects remain unidentified. The stigma began to fade, replaced by scientific and national security concern. In 2021, a government report acknowledged 144 military UAP incidents, almost all unexplained. The era of denial was over, the age of inquiry had begun. To physicists and engineers, the Pentagon footage is a direct challenge to the rules of flight. These objects perform maneuvers impossible for any known aircraft. The Tic Tac accelerated from a hover to thousands of miles per hour in a split second. G-forces that would crush a human and tear apart any plane. They move seamlessly between air and water with no splash or slowdown. No aircraft or submarine can do both. Even more baffling, they fly without wings, engines, or visible exhaust. They hover silently, move with perfect precision, and seem to ignore the laws of aerodynamics. Our planes need wings and engines to fly. These objects have neither. It's as if they're not pushing against the air, but interacting with the fabric of space-time itself. The gap between what we see and what we can build is staggering. These craft break the rules and force us to rethink what's possible. Are we witnessing a new kind of physics, or a technology far beyond our own? One of the biggest puzzles, these UAPs make no sonic boom. Any object moving faster than sound creates a shockwave, a loud, explosive boom. All our supersonic aircraft do it, it's unavoidable. Yet, the Pentagon videos show objects accelerating to hypersonic speeds, without a sound. Commander Favor saw the Tic Tac vanish at incredible speed, but heard nothing. This defies the laws of fluid dynamics. One theory, the objects create a field or bubble around themselves, isolating them from the air. The air flows smoothly around this bubble, not crashing into the craft. It's a concept rooted in theoretical physics, warping space-time to move without resistance. If true, it would explain the silence, the speed, and the impossible maneuvers. If these objects aren't using jets or rockets, how are they moving? Physicists are exploring radical ideas grounded in real science. One theory, advanced electromagnetic propulsion, generating powerful magnetic fields to interact with Earth's own field, or ionize the air into plasma. This could allow silent, instant movement and sharp turns. Another theory, manipulating gravity itself, creating a bubble of warped space-time, like the Alcubierre warp drive. The craft wouldn't move through space, but with it, explaining the lack of sonic boom and the extreme acceleration. No moving parts, no fuel explosions, just pure elegance. These concepts are at the edge of physics, but they fit what we see in the videos. If real, they would revolutionize our understanding of motion. The technology would be unlike anything on Earth. To warp space-time or generate massive electromagnetic fields, you need unimaginable energy. No current power source, nuclear, chemical, or solar, comes close. The energy source for these UAPs must be compact, dense, and efficient. One possibility, harnessing zero-point energy, the quantum energy of empty space. If we could tap into this limitless reservoir, it would change everything. Another idea, matter-antimatter annihilation, converting mass directly into energy. This is the most efficient process known, but producing and storing antimatter is far beyond us. Yet, the existence of these craft suggests such an energy source is possible, and has been achieved. The UAP phenomenon is not just about propulsion, it's about energy. Solving this puzzle would be the greatest scientific breakthrough in history. It would open the door to the stars. We stand at a crossroads in human history. Declassified footage has brought UAPs into the light of science and public debate. The data and testimony present a profound mystery. Objects in our skies with technology far beyond our own. Are they secret human projects? That seems unlikely given the global scope and the scale of the breakthrough required. Or do they hint at something more, evidence of non-human intelligence? Whatever their origin, the implications are staggering. If human, we're on the verge of a technological revolution. If not, we may not be alone in the universe. This realization would forever change our perspective on our place in the cosmos. The journey ahead is one of discovery and curiosity. The UAP phenomenon may be the greatest scientific opportunity of our time. The quest has just begun.